Previously on...
So happy right now because Buffy's coming to see me.
You guys, this is the camera I want. You have one?
That's it.
You're done.
I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to.
Why does my head look like that? You gonna be on my video? You gonna be on my video? Mother's Day special? Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the YouTube people. Happy Mother's Day, guys! I'm with my mom on Mother's Day. Took her to the grocery store, you know? She annoys me 365 days of the year, but this is the one day she annoys me and I can't really complain. Because, what, she's a mom or something? Like... She's a mom. Mother's Day. What do you guys need a holiday for? A special day? I don't get it. You guys just want presents all the time. Hurry up, man!
We're gonna go. You're gonna take Abby?
I'm gonna take Alan. Is that what you mean?
Mother's Day police officer coming really.
Not for Mother's Day. Who cares about Mother's Day? It's not like it's New Year's or something where people are drinking excessively and stuff. I'm not afraid of no police.
We took one for the bus here, so last week he took me around there.
Yeah, because he slept. And you drop asleep down. Of course.
When I reach a price shopper and move off, I don't know where me there again. Till me reach up here. So let me see where this place look like. Let me have to get off over there and walk come in.
Well, it's good to walk.
I may come now chicken food. No chicken wings. And that may come here now. And then when me realize Monday me go down a blue sky, I got the one to eat. But me have a lot.
I love chicken wings.
What
Like
me not do with
chicken
this is how
wings?
you put them in the oven.
No.
And put the barbecue sauce on it.
No.
I'll fry them first.
Yes. What you do is you fry it
Sandra, I
first.
love it.
This is how I do mine.
Right.
You fry it first.
Right.
Then in the same frying pan, like a next frying pan, not even in the oven, in the next frying pan, you put honey, put barbecue sauce, ketchup, all that type of stuff, and you put them in the frying pan and you fry it all up. Don't put it in the oven, just do it like that.
In the big pan,
in just a regular frying pan, you just fry it, cook up the sauce first so it gets kind of thick and sticky. With the honey, it's good because it sticks together more and it's sweeter. Yeah.
Diana maple things?
Yeah. No, I'm talking about actual honey, but if you don't have actual honey, then you can do that. And yeah, it will be so good.
But this one the chicken we want, but them too expensive. The one from here to here, that's what I want. But me get the one from here to here. The one from here to here, that's what I want. But me get the one from here to here.
Huh?
Teacher said I must cut them off.
Yeah, just cut it. You want them like where you can get the wing by itself and the other one by itself? Just cut them.
No, me don't want the long mega part. The crunchy part.
You're crazy. The wing is the best part, the flying
So
part.
then we don't just do the whole thing together then and that's it. Some people can get one
but
or
cut
two.
it. Cut it. Cut them.
You serve more.
Yes. This time of life. Mom, you like being a mom? You like being a mom?
I like being a mom?
Yeah.
Not now.
Why not now?
Because I'm not a mother now. I'm
Huh?
too old to be mother now.
You still have kids. You're still a mom. Don't you answer to mom when people say mom?
I buy yogurt at no frill. Pineapple, orange, and banana.
Pineapple, orange, and banana. In one flavor or... Ew.
I don't open it yet.
Ew. Pineapple, orange, and... Pineapple, apple, and banana?
Pineapple, orange, and banana. I think so. Pineapple something.
Oh, pineapple, orange, and banana. I thought you said pineapple, apple.
Pineapple or coconut. Something or the other. But it's a mixture of yogurt. No, for that, the man sale for $1. And I buy. So the company them they like it. You have gas?
For right now. I swear we just filled this guy's tank and it's already.
You change this cash card him already? And then you say we can barbecue. Stay in the bar for me. You stay in the bar, Tisha and Trisha gonna be in the kitchen. And we're gonna sit down with my friends, because my birthday I don't want to do anything but cook and leave it. Tisha and Trisha come them in the kitchen. Trisha and Tisha in the kitchen. If we grill anything like wings done, we can make you grill some chicken. You prepare that and everything. And then you stay in the bar and serve the customer and me sit down with my friend them and everything will be alright. That's how I planned it. Sit with my friend them and eat and everything. I'm gonna serve you, come and serve us and that's it. You sell the customer.
I'm not coming back to any one of your functions because I can't deal with you.
Why? What did I do now?
You get this attitude like you forget everything you said previously, like you just get too overwhelmed, like I can't be bothered.
What do you mean overwhelmed?
You get too overwhelmed, then you get more miserable than you normally are.
I'm never miserable. Oh Lord have mercy.
Took too much and I've gone too far and I might not make it.
That's sometimes me like play music and me shop because people will come in and me make money and pay me bills and me alright. And that's it. Telling me a little barbecue, they know they do open wide, everybody pay music. I don't mind if they call police, I don't take a police for me. When they come and say, okay, no, I turn it on, that's it, they not bother me because me no trouble nobody, me no bother nobody.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you ain't said the other day they bother you, your breath, or you what was it?
Yeah, like my chest, I guess I would say, I don't know, because like I can't breathe properly.
Oh, no, my heart is beating.
So I feel like I'm like just to breathe.
Mm-hmm. So
like
no,
I can't.
my heart is beating.
Yeah, so you need.
But I don't feel it like now and then. But me say, like me feel it, and why is it am I feeling it?
Yeah, so you need to go.
I'm in a sick and I'm in no pain. Me get up, me do my work.
You don't know if you're sick.
Okay.
You don't just you could be sick and not know for years. You don't know if you're sick. You're old now. You have to go get a checkup every now and then.
Let me not go to tell you one. Only when we go to tell you.
Yeah, you
me
only
just
go
get a family
because
doctor now.
you only go because something hurts you. You just need to go in and.
So every 3 months we have an appointment with doctor at the hospital.
That's a family doctor?
No. You just look after my pressure and my heart.
So
and
who's
stuff.
your family doctor?
I just get one now. He named doctor. She said me have to have a family doctor. So he put me onto that man and me go there, go talk to him in me the other day and blah blah blah.
Oh,
Me appointment with him
you did your checkup and
right.
stuff and whatever.
So me have to go back to him something in June.
I think I want to switch my doctor.
So I saw you go. But me go to tell you while and the same heart then do me when me go to doctor. Me have to go up on the bed, then me take off the whole and me close my brassiere, then patch up this damn thing on my heart, and then say my heart alright, everything is fine. So now me have me feel like my heart beat too fast, and then me could see the jumping through my clothes, I could see it. No, me don't feel it anymore, because I don't feel it all the time. But me just tell Trisha, me tell Valerie, say so me feel why me had the beat. She must check it out. Me say, oh yeah, right. I call Trisha, tell Trisha now, say, in the time if we got a time, you tell him nonsense, but Mama got interview and then we're not dead yet. 1 month to go soon. The girl you just seen her in Danford, you know her from school? Which school?
Runnymede.
Oh. And that's your daughter?
Yeah, her
And
son.
she pregnant again?
No. She just had a boy.
And you have another pretty friend. What's her name? You lose contact with those girls, not you? You carry them on my house already, man. I see them already. They live on an Outlook?
Look from when we stop talking to them people there.
Oh.
I don't keep friends now, Mom. Like I just don't,
So what about
I don't like girls.
What about
like even her, like I just can't be bothered. Like I just can't deal with sometimes people. Like I can't. Like like they only need you when they need you, and then they use you for whatever they need you for, and then after that, they don't want to talk to you anymore. Like I'm too old for that foolishness now. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
like,
Mala needs to be at home, stayed here.
Exactly.
Now how about nobody else?
I have like one friend, the one that I went to Jamaica with.
Mm-hmm.
She's like legit like my only friend.
But you still work at the place? Mm-hmm. Well, you don't work there no more. So your brother with schooling go now? In the go high school now or what?
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
With school. And your father drop him at school or he take bus?
Mom, he takes taxi.
What?
Why would daddy drive him to school? It's a big kid.
And then he come home and open the door and go inside?
Daddy is home. Daddy works at home, no?
Okay. You know washing clothes in father?
Yeah. Daddy has a washing machine. Wants you.
Not the outside or outside?
Outside. She go to Jamaica for Father's Day.
Who, you? Okay, you bills them off and don't worry about Jamaica.
Daddy. I know, but I really want to go back for the summer. I haven't been to Jamaica in the summer and since I was in like high school. I don't know who told me to start going in January and February and all these stupid months and then people die and I didn't even see my mother-in-law today yet.
You over there?
Of course I have to go back over there. Tell her Happy Mother's Day.
So what, you said they're home now?
She didn't say. That message, she just messaged me back and I messaged her from morning.
Just message you back, say what? She, But she just messaged you, say?
No, she was just like, Happy Mother's Day to you too.
To your mother?
Yeah, I have godkids. That's what she was saying. She's like, with the bag of God pitney where you have. But it's not a bag anymore because telling me that she don't want me have no relationship with her pitney them.
Why?
All this type of foolishness. So I'm just like,
why?
Because she's stupid. In real life, she's really retarded. Like, I just can't deal. So I'm just like, honestly, this is the end of our friendship. I'm not gonna come back to you and talk to you like ever in real life. Because after all I've done for you and your kids, you're gonna tell me I can't talk to them or see them or whatever.
Oh my god.
I can really care less. And it made me so mad. I had to talk to her yesterday. I'm just like, you know, you guys are so quick to be like, oh Zoe, why would you say that or why would you say this? But seeing as how I've done so much stuff for you, when she says, oh, you can't have a relationship with them, you guys aren't like, oh, that's bad, you shouldn't do that. Nothing like that. You guys treat me like shit. I'm like, if anybody was to see from my side, they wouldn't be like, oh, let's not talk to her or whatever the case may be. Like, whatever's my issue is my issue. Like, she's a grown-ass woman. Mom, who's your favorite child?
None of them. I love everyone I'm picking there. They may not show it, but I do.
No, you don't. You love me?
Oh? I may not eat her, but she not grow with me, Zoe. I not eat her, but she not grow with me. That makes me say, okay, sweetheart.
So you love her?
She not grow with me, but me not suffer.
I didn't ask if she grew with you. What I asked is if you love her. That was the question. I didn't ask you, did she grow with you? That's not what I said. I said, do you love her? You said you love all your children.
I
She's
love
one
all
of
my
them.
children.
It's okay.
I love all of them.
So you love me.
But she don't grow with me, so that
doesn't have anything
it's
to
not
do
like
with
like how me close with you and Trisha and Kirk. I'm not like with her. But after me pitney,
yeah,
you know
that's
that.
Understandable.
She's 34-year-old.
She's 34?
Yes.
She's 34?
Yes.
She's that young? Like, in comparison to, like, my age, like, we're only, like, what? Like, less than 10 years apart?
I left Jamaica, come here, go find her. And it can be true because Delroy came up there already. I mean, I'm pregnant with you yet. Alright, I do. Yeah, me I'm pregnant with you, yeah. Me have you already, yeah. Yeah, and
but you didn't tell Daddy.
That it was 15, I think.
But you didn't tell Daddy that.
No, I never told him anything.
That was your child.
Me never tell him anything.
Yeah, that's why Daddy said you're very dishonest.
Me tell him
because Kirk wasn't your child, Lita Del wasn't your child, a lot of people weren't your children, and then eventually later on, I'm like, Daddy, I'm bringing my sister over. He's like, what sister? Trisha's here? Like, no, my sister. Like, what? You have a next sister? Like, yeah, mommy has a daughter. she's older than me. He's like, that lady, you know me carry her, go look for her, and she tell me say that's
somebody make
why. He said that lady Nora.
I did.
Vesta. Yeah, you love talk about people love lie, and if you lie, you steal, and if you steal, you cheat, and all these things. And you do the same thing.
Zoe, that is different from Zoe, but than Delroy did to me. Mom, that is totally different, Zoe.
Mom.
Little Del is little Del. That's my child before me even know Delroy.
Right, but a lie is still a lie. You just like a sin is a sin. No sin is greater than any other sin. Sin is a sin, right? So a lie is a lie.
You have to tell Delroy about Little Del.
Yes, if you're in a
know me with this
if you're in a relationship with somebody and you have children, that information is vital.
Hey,
what? That information is vital. You're supposed to share that information.
Did you tell me go sleep with Melinda?
But you're not supposed to tell somebody that you cheat. That's the whole point of cheating. It's supposed to be a secret. Kids aren't supposed to be a secret.
I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about Delroy. Honestly, Zoe, because you don't know how my heart beating right now. I don't want to. Because he hurt me like nobody's ever hurt me in this world. Like,
yes, because you loved him. I think that's how I would feel if Marlon was to cheat on me. I never loved that person like how I love Marlon, and I live with him, so of course it's gonna hurt me differently. And I'm sure if I had a baby for him, it would hurt even more. But a life, you know, you have to kiss a lot of frogs before you find your prince. Okay, guys, kiss a lot of frogs before you find your prince.
So you're not married soon?
Who, my dad? I don't know, when I went down, he was talking to me like seriously, and he was just like, you know, there's a lady that he really cares about.
Oh, give me a break.
And whatever. But I was just like, Daddy, is she willing to convert? Like, is she willing to be a witness? Because you have to marry into your faith, right? He was just like, yeah, that's the only issue that it is with having women, like finding women who aren't in Kingdom Hall and who aren't already witnesses. He's like, that's the only difficult part. So who knows? He's like, all of my kids are getting older now, soon, whatever. He's like, look at you. You bring man come in my house, go introduce as boyfriend, tell you say you live with him, Madre.
Lord of mercy.
Ooh, when he sees Marley, he's like, yes, boss. What's up, boss?
That's when children go funeral?
Yeah. That's anytime he sees Marlon. So funny. You have your key? You have it out with you? Oh, okay. Come out.
No, I'm not coming out. You go around and go open the door. No, come out.
Oh my gosh, man. Why do you have to make this stuff so difficult? I'm in slippers.
I know.
And it's raining.
Like you feel in a rain, me an old man. A Mother's Day, say they do it for me. You call me from work, which me appreciate so much, because I don't hear from nobody else.
See? And you say I'm the worst one.
Never say you're worse, and you give me more trouble than everybody.
What kind of trouble do I give?
Listen, I always said you're Italian and a hot bill.
What kind of trouble could I possibly give? Me, Zoe Brown. Oh, let me turn off the car before you lock up the key in here, auntie.
Hello?
I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to.